Hello and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a brandy coffee. It's perfect anytime, but we think especially so at the end of a dinner party when you've put a lot of work in, it's got a bit of a kick. So to make this coffee, you're going to need a kettle, a mug or a heat-proof glass and a cafetiere. I'm using a single serving cafetiere because I've done this for one person, but if you are serving a crowd, please use a bigger one and adjust the ingredients accordingly. Today I'm going to be using the Coffee Direct Golden Crema blend of coffee. This is an espresso roast suitable for all brewing methods, medium to high strength with full body and aroma. I'm using 2 tablespoons of the Golden Crema coffee, also 125 ml of boiling water, which I've already boiled, 30 millilitres of coffee liqueur, 30 millilitres of brandy, 15 millilitres of chocolate liqueur, and then additionally you can also top it with whipped cream and chocolate shavings if you want that extra bit of indulgence. So to make your coffee, first, put the coffee grounds in the cafetiere and top with 125 ml of your boiled water. Place the lid on top and leave it to brew for 4 minutes. So now the coffee should be nicely brewed, so just press down gently on the cafetiere and then pour it into your mug or heat-proof glass. Next, add your coffee liqueur, the brandy, and the chocolate liqueur, and give it a good stir. You can stop here, but if you're deciding to be a little bit extra indulgent, top it with a bit of whipped cream. And then sprinkle some chocolate shavings on top. And there you have it, one brandy coffee. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please check out our others or leave us a comment to let us know. If you have any questions, please head to coffeedirect.co.uk. Thank you.